Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. So we got a very special shoutout today going out to Rue's Kitchen. She is an up-and-coming superstar in the YouTube world. So definitely go check her out. She's got some incredibly creative recipes and on a budget. So again, that's Rue's Kitchen. Go check her out. And in honor of Rue's Kitchen, I'm going to steal one of her recipes. So basically, it's a honeycomb pasta cake. Bake some rigatoni standing up so it looks like a honeycomb, and it's going to be in cake form, but it's going to be a delicious pasta. And I totally ripped that off from Rue's Kitchen, so thanks again, Rue. So again, make sure you go check out Rue's Kitchen, give her a subscribe, give her a like, give her some comments. If you're interested in participating in the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge, you can check the description below for full details on participation. Basically, it's 7 uploads in 7 days and 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. The number one rule to hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge is to have fun. So you can do shorts, you can do just shoutouts, you can do full-length videos. There's no deadline, no callouts, so don't worry if I give you a shoutout. It doesn't mean I expect you to do 7 shoutouts in 7 days unless you want to. Also, please use hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge in either the title, the description, or somewhere in the upload. And then leave a comment in one of my shoutouts just to let me know that you're doing the challenge, and I can try to promote it any way I can. And just put in the comments in one of my shoutouts, I accept. So coming up, we're going to make one of the pasta dishes from Rue's Kitchen. Alright, so I got some boiling water. I put some salt in it, so it's the salinity of the sea. I'm going to add my rigatoni. Alright, so I got, this is my Sunday gravy. So it's like a spaghetti sauce that I cooked a ton of meat in, just to flavor the sauce, but it's just the tomato sauce. And I removed the meat. Check out my Sunday gravy episode. It's pretty good. And then I'm just going to add an egg, just to kind of bind everything up. I got some bocconcini cheese. It's basically just fresh mozzarella. These ones came in like the size of golf balls, so I cut them up into quarters. And then I'll finish it with some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. You can see it's legit because it's got the stamp on the rind there. So we'll let that rigatoni boil away. Probably want to cook it for about 5 minutes so it's like super al dente. You just kind of want to parboil it because we're going to bake it in the oven and it'll continue on cooking. I got my spring-loaded cake pan. I'm just going to give it a little spritz with some oil. So I got my bocconcini. Again, I think you can probably get smaller ones. Smaller ones might be better. These were the size of golf balls. watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.